I've had a couple of questions on my comments asking how the horses see through those things I put on their faces. They're called fly masks to keep the bugs out of their eyes. I have one here. I thought I would show you. Just a second. See, that's the view through a fly mask. You pretty much see, no problem. I mean, the farther away you get, the less you can see, but when it's right up against their eyes, they have no problem.
Oh, don't do that! Whatever you're doing, don't do it! Please don't! No, I didn't have a hat on! Please don't knock me down! Please don't knock me down! I just got too close! Please, I just got too close! Please, no! Like that. Like that? No? Don't you get me then? Go to ate that! Go eat that! Go to eat that!
Thunderstorm! Hopefully the horses are all inside. Holy! That's Nathan, in case you're wondering. Don't go out there, you'll get wet.
I can change clothes.
What?
I can change clothes.
You can you could change clothes, but I'd rather you didn't go out there and get wet.
I did.
No, I don't think you should. Lightning.
Oh, no.
Thunder.
No, we're not. I might now.
You're pushing your luck there, dude. You're gonna get soaked. Come back. Thank you. Holy cow. I wish there was a way to look and see if the horses are inside, but there isn't. I'm sure they are. Nathan, you're in socks. Get back here. Get back here. We haven't had a good thunderstorm yet this year. We're having it now. That came on pretty quick. Wow. Still going, not as crazy as it was, but it's still going. Don't mind me, I just got out of the shower, hence the dew going on. My mother-in-law did tell me that a big storm was coming when she was saying she was bringing Nathan back. I guess she was right. I got the horses in just in time. They were out in the yard eating grass, and now they've had their dinner and are back in the field, hopefully in their shelter. A little bit more presentable. Still rumbling a little bit, not raining so much. I think it's pretty much done for the night. We might get a little bit more sun as I'm talking. I'm sure you can hear that. Never mind, it's not done. The light is much better over here. Well, that was a big one. Well, I'll sign off. We'll say thank you for watching. This is a short and sweet storm video. We'll catch you in the next one.